Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you how to set up Blink app inside your sub account. So let's get started. Once you search for the app at the level of App Marketplace, you go at you go at install and then allow and install. There is a credential required in order to get the installation going. So let's provide it. There you go. You continue and you have success, which means the tool is already installed. In order to access the app, first of all, refresh the page. Here we are. So let's go down at the level of custom page. Bingo. We got a new interface. We have the documentation, tutorials, and setup. At the level of documentation, if you go at zero, it provides you the different steps that you're supposed to follow in order to set up the app. At the level of tutorials, you have here Smart You Guide showing you how to get all the credentials, and here you have the setup app. And finally, the level of setup, you can check the status of the app. That's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach our support team who's available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.